Hello there, my name is Tanmoy Bhattacharjee. I am a former student of HEXA'S Zindabazar. My instructors were Tarin ma'am and Uma ma'am. A few weeks ago, on 28th and 29th of December 2024, I sat for the IELTS test for the very first time in my life, and I have successfully secured an overall band score of 7. Well, I was expecting a little higher than that, but it's completely fine because not all the time in our life we can fulfill all our expectations. And thanks to HEXA'S Zindabazar, my parents, my respected instructors, teachers for their tremendous support, pivotal advice that I received throughout the journey of my IELTS course here at HEXA'S Zindabazar. Moreover, if I talk about HEXA'S Zindabazar specifically, then in my opinion, this is the best place for somebody who's trying to make the best possible preparation for the IELTS test because of HEXA'S Zindabazar's expert teachers, their unique teaching techniques. And I don't think without the help of my instructor Tarin ma'am and Mama ma'am, it could have been this much easy for me to score an overall band 7. So I'm extremely grateful to HEXA'S Zindabazar and my respected instructors and some other faculty members as well. Thank you.